Welcome to this video. Today we'll do a real quick use substitution example. I'd like to do a trigonometry one since I haven't covered one yet. So let's see, let's do the integral of cosine of 5x divided by e to the sine of 5x dx. When I first saw a problem like this, I thought, oh, how am I going to do this? This is looking really hard. One of the key things to look for once again in use substitution is look for a function of x and that function of x's derivative. Here we have e to the sine of 5x, and cosine of 5x is the derivative of sine of 5x. Therefore, we can use substitution that. So I'll say u equals the sine of 5x. And then I can say du equals cosine of 5x times 5 dx, because we have to use the chain rule and multiply the nested function, and the derivative of 5x is 5. Therefore, I can simplify that and say 1/5 du equals the cosine of 5x dx. So let's go ahead and plug everything back in now. And I'll do this one step at a time. In case you're new to use substitution, this might help to be kind of incremental. First of all, I have e to the sine of 5x, and I know that u equals the sine of 5x. So I'm going to say e to the u instead of writing sine of 5x. And then up here, I know that if I write 1/5 du, then that equals cosine of 5x dx. So instead of writing cosine of 5x dx, I'm just going to write 1/5 du. Now I'm going to pull a constant out of the integral and say 1/5. Well, I'm writing off of my screen here. 1/5 times the integral of 1 over e to the u du. I'll say 1/5 times the integral of e to the negative u du, and now I am ready to integrate that. So I just have to worry about this negative sign, and so I'm just going to say negative 1/5 e to the negative u, and that's our integral, because the integral of e to the x is e to the x, for instance. So I just have to divide by that negative sign. Now, subbing back in our u value, I'm going to say negative 1/5 e to the negative sine of 5x is our integral plus c. And that is a u substitution. All I did was substitute the u value back in. For every tutorial that I do and for other use substitution examples, you can find that directory here. Just click on all of the links that are given and you'll find all the tutorials that I do. So click on those annotations and find all the other tutorials. If anything's unclear, then you can go to facebook.com/JOKOENGINEERING. And have a nice day. Please subscribe if this was helpful, because that's the best way to help me. I will see you next time.